أباكيا أولي راهي أجيني قبل الهجرة سنين كتاب عربات أو وقق لكوكنو غرا إبسا قلي ديمو تاكو بابو هم آياتا دقدمي أولي أسو عرب قبال عن فتشسا زبنا عليه السلام نبي محمد اسلمنا نصحا جمران أكوتين بتبتين سل جمرمين أشي قريش الرا همارانيتي زريتا تنجاني غير حبشا إركي جرا Atiin kun isliminnaan kun jabeenyumaaf xiraatiif kan ganda kana gahu jiru. Ishiin asiitun kara maduriisanii. Ganda kana ganda akaakayyuu abaabayyuu kaakayyuu anaanayyuu kiyyaa jenneeti gara hijira gara biyya ormaa deemuu nu jibbinee kan nu jabaate biyya abaabuu akaakayyuu keenya jenneeti dhagaa kana nu fakkaate kanuma jaalannaa magaalaa katamaa amma biyya tabala callacu kana hin isaan qabu. كنتي نهيف مشان تتينير انتهي تاريخي آغرين كوني
yields barely enough to keep the family alive. So last year, Zaini left home, joining a growing number of migrant women seeking work as maids overseas. Her destination? Saudi Arabia. Nearly 160,000 Ethiopian women went to work in the Saudi kingdom in the year to July, a 10-fold jump on the previous 12 months. The United Nations says tens of thousands more go illegally, lured by foreign wages, a means of supplementing their families' meager incomes. But for Zaini, the escape route out of poverty didn't go to plan. After 3 months, she returned home. She'd suffered beatings, was threatened with a knife, and was denied wages.
First of all, it's important to know how reliant most Saudi households are on domestic workers. Almost every household has a woman from Indonesia, Ethiopia, the Philippines, living and working in their home. We've documented a range of abuses. It's very common that women are often working from morning till night, 16 to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. Many cases of unpaid wages, cases of forced confinement in the workplace, and in some cases, sexual and physical abuse.
Bloomberg spoke to one Ethiopian woman who said she was raped repeatedly by her Saudi employer. Many are uninformed or undeterred by the potential risks, making Ethiopia an easy target for cheap labor.
Some of the governments from countries that send domestic workers to Saudi Arabia have started to complain. And we've seen that the most prominently from the Philippines and Indonesia, where they faced a lot of pressure from civil society at home, from very bad media coverage, asking them to protect the Filipino workers in Saudi Arabia, to protect the Indonesian women who are working in Saudi Arabia. And Saudi Arabia hasn't liked this. So instead,